Hi and welcome to this QuickBooks quick tutorial on how to connect your bank account to your QuickBooks account. If you've been sent this video, it's probably because you have a QuickBooks subscription with us, and this is just going to make life a lot easier. Now, when you connect your bank account, we will have access to your bank statements and nothing else. We're just able to see your transactions so that you don't have to send us a long list of bank statements. In this video, you will learn how to connect your bank and credit cards to your QuickBooks account so that we can keep track and categorize your bank transactions. So what you're going to do is head over to the tab that says banking, and then you're going to connect your bank account. Here you'll be able to see various bank accounts, and you'll select the one that your business banks with. If you can't immediately see the icon on the list, you're able to just type out the bank name or insert the bank URL. Once you do that, there will be a prompt on the screen for you to sign into your bank account. You'll fill out your login details, and then you'll be able to have access to all the bank accounts linked to that profile. If you have multiple accounts, we encourage that you add them all. As you'll see, most of them will appear and be automatically categorized. But if you have multiple accounts, such as your trust account, money market, savings, or investment accounts, you can go in and select one that is relevant for that specific bank account. Once that's done, you can say connect, and it will automatically connect your bank feed to your QuickBooks account. And what's amazing about that is we'll be able to have real-time access to your bank transactions. And just as easy as that, your bank account is linked to your QuickBooks account, and we can start doing our jobs, which is to categorize and allocate your transactions so that we can help you polish up your books. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us and we will promptly respond with any assistance.